Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving into Maypen. We're going to be entering Maypen from the Maypen. We're going to exit the highway. This is Highway 2000. Go exit at the Maypen interchange and then drive on to Glenmuir Drive or Glenmuir Road and head into Maypen towards Manchester Avenue. So this is Highway 2000. Takes you from Kingston to Maypen. Actually goes from Kingston to Mandeville now. And at Maypen, they have the Maypen interchange, which is the largest interchange in Jamaica. So we're going to come up to the interchange and exit. Now Maypen is the largest town in Clarendon. It's also the capital of the parish of Clarendon. And because of the highway, a lot of development is taking place in the area. A massive development is being done right at the Maypen interchange called the Diamond Hub. The interchange is actually a diamond interchange, meaning you can get on and off the highway from any direction you're heading in. And that development is being done. It's going to be a commercial development and a lot of development happening in the town of Maypen itself. Actually, all around Jamaica you have a lot of developments. Mandeville, St. Catherine, Montego Bay, Kingston, St. Anne. I've never seen so much development happening at one time in Jamaica that's happening now. Alright, we're coming up to the interchange where we're going to exit the highway and drive towards Glenmuir Road. Okay, this is where we're going to exit. Now as we exit, on the left is where China Harbour Engineering Company had set up their main base of operations when they were building the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway. But that section of the highway is finished, and they have been moving out their equipment and relocating to another location. Alright, so this is now the Maypen interchange. Okay, we're going to turn right and head into Maypen. If we turn left, we'd head towards Osborne Store and Mandeville. Okay, that traffic that you see in the left lane is the traffic coming off the main road, and we have our own lane when you're coming off the Maypen interchange, and then everything merges right here, or both lanes merge right here. If we were to go right, we would continue on the main road and head towards the Millennium Mall, but we're going to turn left here and go on to Glenmuir Road. Alright, so this is now Glenmuir Road, and we're going to take this road into Maypen. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.